gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Wait, did that tablet just slide through a door crack? Yep, that's the Huawei MatePad Pro Max. Sounds impossible, right? Watch this, it slips right through. Now let's try the 13-inch iPad Pro. Can it fit? Not even close. It won't go in, and trying to force it is pointless. That's a crazy difference.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
This is the Huawei MatePad Pro Max, the first Huawei tablet ever to carry the Pro Max name, and honestly, it earns it. It looks huge, but the moment you pick it up, something feels strange. How can a tablet this large be so light? And even more surprising, how is it this thin? The MatePad Pro Max measures just 4.7 millimeters. For comparison, the 13-inch iPad Pro comes in at 5.1 millimeters, and even the iPhone Air is thicker at 5.64 millimeters. Huawei really pushed the limits here. You can even slide it into an envelope effortlessly. And yes, it still fits through that door gap. The iPad Pro? No chance. It gets stuck immediately. Watching it struggle beside the MatePad is actually pretty funny. Now let's talk design. This aura blue color looks gorgeous. The metal back catches light beautifully, creating flowing reflections that move across the surface. It feels incredibly premium. The camera module follows the same star ring design language as the Mate 80 Pro Max. One glance and you know it's part of the Mate family. Smaller than the phone version, but still elegant and refined. The glossy metal frame perfectly matches the body color. Up top, there's a magnetic area where the M Pencil Pro snaps into place. And honestly, this might be Huawei's best-feeling tablet yet. Despite its size, it weighs only 509 grams. The standard version is even lighter. Compare that to the 579-gram 13-inch iPad Pro, and Huawei's achievement becomes even more impressive. Now for the display. Power it on. Wow, a massive 13.2-inch screen. This time, Huawei completely removed the notch, hiding the front camera inside the bezel. Place it beside the 13-inch iPad Pro, and the difference jumps out immediately. Both use symmetrical bezels, but Huawei shrinks them down to just 3.55 millimeters. Side by side, Apple's borders suddenly look much larger. That ultra-thin bezel creates a seriously immersive experience. The screen feels bigger, more open, and fantastic for both entertainment and work. And now the part everyone is waiting for, the processor. The MatePad Pro Max runs on the new Kirin T93 Pro. This marks a major step forward because Huawei tablets finally have a dedicated flagship Kirin chip. It's designed specifically for tablet performance and productivity, making this feel like a turning point for the MatePad lineup. Maybe that's exactly why Huawei chose the Pro Max name. But Huawei's strength has never been hardware alone. Software and ecosystem features have always been a huge part of the experience. Previously, Huawei focused heavily on digital art tools. This time, they want users to create music. Their new self-developed musician app supports recording, multi-track editing, and mixing. It also includes more than 200 Chinese and Western instruments and sound presets. There's even a professional-looking wireless keyboard controller accessory. Combined with the tablet, it basically turns into a complete music studio. Here's where things get really interesting. At first, you're using a normal tablet interface. Then you swipe left, and suddenly everything transforms into a desktop-style environment. It looks just like a Hongming PC. The Start menu, WPS, and window management all feel like a real computer. You can freely resize windows, drag apps around, and multitask just like on a PC. Swipe back and you're instantly returned to the traditional tablet interface. That seamless switch between tablet and desktop modes feels genuinely futuristic. It's a true two-in-one experience, and the smoothness is surprisingly impressive. Huawei also refreshed the Starry Moon keyboard. It still comes in white, but the materials have been upgraded. The leather texture feels richer, and even the wood grain section feels softer and more premium. It's clear Huawei is going all in on productivity. Not only does it challenge the iPad Pro directly, but in some areas it may even go further. And compared with most Android tablets, it feels like it's playing in a completely different league. The Huawei MatePad Pro Max is thinner, lighter, and more professional than ever.